Hi guys, in this video we will see how to turn off the swipe left gesture on your iPhone lock screen so it to no longer opens the camera. If you are tired of accidentally launching the camera, especially while your iPhone is in your pocket. So if you want to turn off this feature, swipe left gesture of your iPhone, then here are the process. Unlock your iPhone first and here tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to camera settings, tap on it. Here scroll down and look for the option, scroll down and you will find the option lock screen swipe to open camera. Swipe left on the lock screen to quickly access the camera. Turn the toggle button off to disable this. As you can see, lock your iPhone screen and you can see swipe left, camera will open. If you want to disable or turn off this feature, then simply turn the toggle button off to disable it. Go to settings and disable this feature. Now, if your iPhone in your pocket and no accidentally open camera, you can see swipe left gesture is duly turned off. So if you want to disable it, turn the toggle button off, and if you want to enable it, turn the toggle button on. That's all.